Hello guys, so welcome. In today's video we are discussing the possibility of you being able to earn at least $10,000 from the CEXP listing. Now basically in this video I'll be making use of 4 apps. As you can see, I'm navigating through them. I'll be making use of my calculator to do some calculation, and here is my Telegram channel as well. Ensure you join my Telegram channel because there are a lot of airdrops I post. Let me just talk about my Telegram channel a little bit so you guys can stay positioned. There are a lot of airdrops I post on this Telegram channel that I do not post on my YouTube, because some of these airdrop here are the pin project like Vana, and project like Azion, you understand? So guys, I urge you to make sure you join my Telegram channel immediately as you are seeing this video. You can find my Telegram channel, the link is in the description box, it's in the pinned comments in this video, and it's on the top of my bio. Now on this my Telegram channel, I'll be doing a free crypto trading class where I'll be teaching you a lot that you need to know about the crypto space. On this channel, I drop a lot of crypto news so you stay updated, so you don't get liquidated in the market. And after this, my free crypto trading class that I'll be doing on this Telegram channel, I'll be inviting some group of our Forex traders to teach us Forex and teach every beginner here Forex. So it's going to be free. There is a lot you are going to learn here. You can see there are different projects that everybody is currently participating here on this my Telegram channel. So if you are not on this my Telegram channel, indeed you'll be missing out. You can see guys, there are a lot of projects. I won't be saying much, so quickly make sure you join my Telegram channel right now. So that being said, I said we are discussing the possibility of you being able to earn at least $10,000. Now we are going to be discussing basic and fundamentals. So I'll be making use of coin market cap. Now for you to understand the price prediction that our CEXP token is going to be listing at, is that for the fact that Cexio is an exchange, you understand, right? Let me just scroll through. Just look at me, look at my screen carefully. Let me just scroll through. I'm using coin market cap. I say you can get it on just search for it on Google Play Store or on Apple Store. So let me just search on exchange so you can see what number Cexio exchange is. It's around number 76 or 78 thereabout. So now currently this is it. You can see the arrow is pointing at it. This is what Cexio exchange. They are trading at $13.91 million trading volume in a 24 hours trading volume. You can see they are number 78. Now the good news is that for the fact that SEC is an exchange, right, they are going to be looking at their competitors' price, and it's not because they want to list at a good price because they want to please us that are the community that participated in airdrop. No, it is for their own good, because the token, I don't know whether it's going to be a token or a coin, but whatsoever utility is going to be serving, it's going to be more for the benefit of that exchange, and it's going to attract more users to the exchange, which as it attracts more users to the exchange, it's going to increase the price of the coin. You understand? That's it's another long talk, but let's just focus on how much you can make. That's why I'm encouraging you to join my Telegram channel. There is a lot I talk about on crypto there, so quickly join my Telegram channel. So now I say we'll be looking at the price of their competitors or on other exchange as Binance, exchange as BitGet, exchange as OKX, and decentralized exchange as Trust Wallets have their own token. So if SEC want to list, they'll be looking at their competitors so that they'll be able to list at a good price to attract investors. So hopefully we're not even expecting them to list at a very ridiculous or poor price. So if we look at BNB here, now here are the top coins. BNB here is trading at number 5, and BNB is the coin for it's a coin for Binance exchange. It's currently trading at $704. That's actually a huge one, and it's a long way to go. So I'm not even expecting Cexio to list at that price, but anything is possible in the crypto space. If they list at that price, most definitely our allocation is going to be very, very, very small, definitely. Then if we look at BGB, now this is BGB, look at it now, it's at number 26. The arrow is currently pointing at it. BGB is currently trading at around $4.766. When BGB got listed, it was around 0.008. I think about 2 years ago or thereabout, that was when it was listed, and you can see the price. So the good news is that because SEC is an exchange, the price is going to be in an ever increasing measure. You understand? As more users join that exchange, the price will increase. So I will advise you, once you receive it, even though SEC lists at $1, it's your choice at the end of the day if you want to sell everything. But I advise you, do not sell everything. Keep some for future investments, most especially as we are approaching this bull run. You understand? Keep it, because that coin is going to go far. I'm telling you, it's going to go far. I'm just using fundamentals to judge this. It's going to go far. Hence, it's a new listing. It's going to really go far. So this is what BGB is trading at. Then we have OKX. You all know OKX exchange, right? The coin for OKX is what? OKB. This OKB is at number 50 among top coins. So top 100 coins, it is what? Number 50, and it's currently trading at what? $48. As at the last time I checked OKB, it was trading around $40. So you can imagine if SEC exchange wants to list their coin, these are the people that they will be looking at, because they will not want to list at a poor price. You understand? Because if they list at a poor price, it's going to kind of tint their image. You understand? And they don't want a negative energy from their community that is going to affect their current users. CEXP exchange has been in existence, I think, for a very long time. I think maybe over 10 or 11 years, if I'm not mistaken. So that's why I'm urging you guys, join my Telegram. I drop a lot of crypto news there to stay updated. If you know you really want to make money in the crypto space, subscribe to this channel right now. Let me know the country you are watching this video from. Let me know how many CEP power you have, and make sure what? Drop your country flag in the comment section. Let me know the country you're watching from. Let me know my community members. So that's it basically. I say fundamentals. SEC is going to be looking at the prices of different SEC exchange as their competitors for them to have a good price to start up with. Now and SEC is a centralized exchange. So the prices for BNB, as we saw it currently, it was around what? 703. For BitGet exchange, it was $4 currently, and for OKX, it was 48. Now for decentralized exchange, let's just search. Let me just tap on the search button. My search button is below my screen. That's if you want to make use of CoinMarketCap to go do this analysis. So for decentralized exchange like Trust Wallet, the coin is TWT, right? So if I tap on TWT here, let's see the price. This is it. Are you guys seeing it? Trust Wallet token. Trust Wallet token is currently at number 147 ranking. So Trust Wallet token is currently around $1. You can see it. So I'm even expecting SEC to even list at least the poor price is what? $1. At least. This is what? A decentralized exchange, Trust Wallet. And you can see, we just saw the prices of what? Centralized exchange. None of them is even $1. But BitGet listed less than $1 as at the time they list. As we are approaching this bull run, the price begin to skyrocket. You understand? So for this, the price begin to go parabolic. So for this bull run that SEC is listing at a very good time in the crypto space, we have a bull run cycle that takes place after every 4 years. The last one that happened was around 2021. Now this one that's happening is going to happen in 2025. It's going to be the season for what? Altcoin, meme coins, and the rest. So quickly now, let's just go do our calculation, and I hope you guys understand. If you have any question, make sure you ask me in the comment section. So quickly, let's make use of our calculator to see how much you can earn. Now, depending on how many SEP power you have, remember, like I told you guys, what you'll be focusing on, right? It's your SEP power. Don't just go and heap all those coin balance. Nobody will give you all those 100 billion coin balance you have. It's that SEP power that is reflecting in your Cexio exchange. I'll be showing you my SEP power shortly. So now let's say the least among us got 100,000 SEC power, right? And let's assume SEC listed at this price. Even though they list at this price, right? Many people will sell off, because most people that will be selling off don't even know what crypto is all about. I'm urging you now, join my Telegram channel, subscribe to this channel to stay updated in crypto information so you won't be missing out. Let's say the poorest price that SEC listed, right? It is this price, 0.001, and somebody, the least among us, is just having 100,000 SEP token. So if they list at this price, this person is going to be having $100, and I'm not even expecting them to list at this price. Even though they list at this price, in less than 2 weeks, it will not be this price. In less than a day, in less than 24 hours or 2 days, it will not be this price. So let's say now they list at 0.01. Right? I'm using the list. I don't want to start from the highest. I'm using the list. So if somebody has 100,000 SEP token, right, and it's listing at this price, this person will be earning $1,000. Now, if it is listed at 1 cent, this person is going to be earning what? $10,000. If it is now listed at $1, it's going to be what? $100,000. And this is my own expectation. I'm expecting them to list at what? At $1. And the least person should be able to earn $100,000. Yes, $100,000. So $100,000, you convert it to your own local currency. and you know how much you get. Guys, I believe we're made. I believe we're made. I'm so much excited because fundamentally speaking, this is not just crypto excitement. I'm excited because SEC is an exchange and not just a random exchange that we cannot even find or trace its bearing. It's an exchange that has been in existence for a very long time, and it's an exchange that is what a top trading exchange with good trading volume over 24 hours. Like I showed you the trading volume, right? The trading volume, it picks up, it goes up, and it goes down. But as I said the last time I showed you guys, it was what? Just $13,000 in 24 hours. And that's a very huge one. So guys, make sure you know how to what? Sell your SEC power. It's very basic. If you want me to make another video to show you guys how to sell your SEC once it's being listed, indicate in the comment section. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Do ensure what you like this video, you comment, you subscribe. Let me know the country you're watching this video from. Thank you guys for watching. I believe you found this video helpful. Drop me your country flag and do ensure you join my Telegram channel immediately. Subscribe guys. Thank you for watching.